Nappier. I work for the City of Greenwood. I've been working here for about 2 years now. I got my start with my degree in biology, and then I ended up taking a Master Gardener class. And we've just been doing this ever since. What I'll be talking about right now is irrigation. All the topiaries have irrigation, and what irrigation is just tubes inside of the topiaries, and that's how they get their water. So this is called Irrigation Line, this one and this one. So this one has what we call emitters. So they have teeny tiny holes. The water goes through here and then drips through here. We also have the solid line. So if there's areas that don't need irrigation, but we need to connect it to the rest of the topiary irrigation, we can do it that way. We cut it with these little clippers right here. I have a little piece of trash, so I could show you how to do that. So you just do that and cut it. So there's other areas of the topiary where we either want to connect them together in a straight line. So these are the fittings right there. These are called goof plugs. So if you want to just end your line like that, these connect them at 3 ways. This connects at angles. This connects just 2 straight wires. And this is a 4-way. So say that I have a sharp edge like right here and it's kinking up. What I do is just connect one piece, they're pretty hard to get in there, to another piece. And this is hollow, so it allows the water to go through. I put the irrigation in pieces, but what I did was basically snake it through. So I go in here, I leave it on the spool. It's a little difficult because you see how it makes its loop-de-loop. But I gotta make sure that all the pieces that have moss and everything get enough coverage. So I try to make all the edges, try to space them pretty good. We use zip ties to hold them in place. And then I just zipped it all the way through as best as I could. So this is the type of system that we use for the topiary to get its water. So if you see this is a regular hose, it's hooked up to the spigot and turned on. It'll hook up to right here. So you leave that on and it goes to a solenoid. And what a solenoid is, a mechanism that turns or lifts up and down. So it allows the water to either stop it or allows it to go through. So this is the clock that shows or that turns on the solenoid. So say that I want the topiary to run 3 times a week at the exact same time. We can do it there. It turns on the zones and all that. And then the irrigation that goes into the topiary, you just put it on and screw it in there. So this concludes our portion on irrigation on topiaries. We do use the same type of irrigation in landscapes. If you have any more questions, we are going to come to you virtually, so just write them down and remember them and tell your teachers.